Hello everybody and welcome back to Malex4455. And there's Elsa. Hey Elsa. Hey baby girl. And there's Crystal. Yes, they are both chihuahuas. But they're fun to play with. But Crystal, come on Crystal. Come on. Come on Crystal. I'll just be posting a video, random video. But you should watch the one about the it's called Technical Problems and the Move. That one is about me moving, not be able to posting YouTube videos. But I'm uploading this right after that one, so you should go and check it out. Oh, Crystal, you want in? You want inside? You want inside, Crystal? You want to? And then there's go get it! Go get it, baby! Get it! Oh, Elsa taking toys, but as you know, as we all know, this is Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. And then we got one that we called Lamb Chop because it's a lamb and she likes playing with it, so we just called it Lamb Chop. But Elsa likes playing around, sleeping all day and everything. She likes being in people's laps and licking everybody's faces and everything. Every once in a while she likes playing with Elsa. Like, I haven't seen her in like months because of my parents just came down to pick me up to take me to the coast. But yeah. Are you being lazy? Go baby girl. But I just made this video for fun. There's like no point. Nobody's wanted. But I'll give I don't know what to say. But I'll be trying to do daily uploads after I start posting videos again. That's when you should know that I should be posting daily videos. If I have enough time, I might post 2 videos a day, which will be great if I can get that much. But